Hello everyone and welcome back to our coding channel. Today we are diving into an interesting linked list problem. Let's break it down and solve it step by step. Let's understand the problem statement. We are given a linked list that contains a series of integers separated by zeros. The list starts and ends with a zero. Our goal is to merge all nodes that are in between two consecutive 0 into a single node. This new node value should be the sum of all the merged nodes. Additionally, the final modified list should not contain any zeros. For instance, let's consider the input linked list 03104520. Here what we need to do: identify segment of node between two consecutive 0, sum up the value in each segment, replace each segment with a single node containing the sum value, remove all 0 from the final list. In this example, the node between the first pair of 0 are 3 and 1, their sum is 4. The node between the second pair of 0 are 4, 5 and 2, their sum is 11. Then the output list will be 4 and 11. Now let's move on the code that accomplishes this. I will walk you through the logic and the implementation. Let's write the code. Dummy equal to list node here. Dummy node to simplify list construction. Then current new equal to dummy. It is used for pointer to construct new list. Current old is head of next value. For that, it start from the node after the initial 0. We then sum equal to 0. While current old is not none if current old value equal to 0, when we hit a 0, we need to create a new node with the sum if sum is non-zero. For that we write if sum not equal to 0, current new dot next equal to list node sum current new equal to current new dot next sum equal to 0, which reset sum for the next segment, else accumulate the sum of values between zeros. For that, sum current old dot value current old equal to current old dot next return dummy dot next. Here we start by creating a dummy node to simplify the list construction. This dummy node helps us avoid dealing with edges cases related to the head to the list. Current new is a pointer used to construct the new list. Current old start at the node after the initial 0 in the given list. We then iterate through the list. We initialize a variable sum to accumulate the values between zeros. We iterate through the list using a while loop until we reach the end. Current old is none. We then handling 0 and accumulating the values. If the current node value is 0, it means we have reached the end of a segment. If the sum is not 0, we create a new node with the accumulated sum and attach it to our new list. We then reset the sum to 0 for the next segment. If the current node value is not 0, we add its value to the sum. In the final list, once we exit the loop, we return dummy.next. The dummy node next pointer points to the head of our modified list, which contains the sum value without 0. That's it. This solution efficiently merges node between 0 and construct a new linked list with the desired structure. This approach ensures we traverse the list only once, making it time efficient. Let's run the code. Okay, let's run. Okay, it accepted. Let's submit the code. Okay, it also accepted. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more coding tutorial. Happy coding and see you in the next video.